Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video, I'm going to describe the immigration process that is required when you get out of India. Before I proceed further, if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, please go subscribe right now. Because in many countries, this process does not happen. Like if you are going to India from Canada, you just check in at the airline, they give you the secure boarding pass, security, and then flight, right? But this is not how things work in India. Okay, let me tell you what happens. First of all, at any Indian airport, you'll find good security that is required based on the threats they have. So they check your ticket and document to get you inside the airport. Once you're inside the airport, go to the check-in, like your airline check-in. They will definitely verify your identity, visa status, and everything. And once they give you the clearance, they give you the boarding pass. Okay. Now, next is to uh, go through immigration check. Okay, immigration check. That means going out of the check. There'll be counters where they will verify your documents once more, and they may ask you questions. Okay. Luckily, I have never been asked much, but once I was stopped. That was a very funny reason. That was back in 2016 when I was returning, and they stopped me because they said because I had gone through a lot of body weight loss. So the passport photo and me, there was huge difference. But I was able to convince. I won't include much details over here. So after that immigration check, like and these guys are very friendly. I have seen them like laughing and talking to tourists, those who return and all. And it's not their duty to like misbehave or create any trouble for you, but yes, they will check the information in the system. If anything wrong comes in your favor, in your for you, then they're gonna do something. After that, it's gonna be security check, and it's gonna be very crowded at New Delhi airport. Really, I don't like it. And once you're through the security check, all the way to your airline, all the way to your boarding gate. Now, at the boarding gate, based on your destination, there could be additional checkups. Like last time when I was traveling few years back, it was like Air India flight. I was coming to Canada, Toronto. So around an hour before the boarding, there was an announcement made that whoever is gonna go through the flight and doesn't have Canadian citizenship or PR, they need to verify their documents again. Okay. So I saw a long queue formed and other things. Okay. And one more thing had happened that was just before this, like that was in 2019, I think. And I was going there. Like I was going to the flight, like boarding was announced, and I was going to just before I could enter the plane, there was a guy who was sitting with a small counter, and at randomly he picked me. Hey, idhar aao. He said in Hindi. I said, why? Why me? I was a Canadian citizen, Canadian passport. He told me, bag dikhao. That means open your bag. I said, okay, fine. Dekh le re bhai. Take a look. He looked and he said, okay, go. So basically, this also I had gone through. I don't know why I was picked up. Maybe something wrong with my face. But anyway, this is how it works. So overall, guys, there's going to be an immigration check when you go out of India. And getting into the airport also going to be checked. Like in India, your identity is going to be verified everywhere. Okay. So that's how it works, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.